What's up, guys? We got our first thing. We got basically get this from games, not GameStop, but like Gaming, Dave and Buster. We got this thing. Um, bro, I'm gonna open it up in a little bit. I'm gonna put this thing on time lapse so you guys can just see me. Not trying to be mean or anything, bro, but like, did they really have to put this in here? Oh, it's because the name of it's called a low. I'm guessing because it's a sick. This is like really weird keyboard. It feels weird. It feels like kind of like my mom's keyboard. It's not like one of those flat keyboards. But I'm gonna say, is that broken? I'm gonna have background noise in my stuff and stuff, but bro, why is it made like this? You see how the buttons are big and laid out? Oh, I can't show you. What's showing you? Nah, you could technically get custom keys for this thing and slide the thing out, but this is gonna be my. Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't recording it, but like, it's gonna be my first gaming mouse ever. I'm not gonna really be using my thing anyway, so I'm guessing. I mean, I was not just recording right there, but I'm guessing at least for now, I'm gonna be using this. Just saying, I feel like so many people buying this. I'm not sure if they like it. I prefer probably flat. I guess because I'm so used to most laptops. If you don't know, most laptops actually have flat keyboards. I probably still use it and still do some decent stuff with it. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna use it on. Yo, we can use it. We can actually use it on that thing if we wanted to. I'm just gonna test that out and stuff. And yeah. Guys, I just opened the box up because that was like the worst review I've ever seen. I have a video dedicated for you guys that hopefully you guys. Okay, so let's pull this thing out now. We'll push it right here where you guys can hopefully see it. I cannot. So we're pulling out the box right now. I got it, bro. Let's see what this thing looks like. So the first for the opening is like right over here. And let us open this box up. Oh, that is beautiful. But I can probably open it if I do need any of those, since it's probably the case. That is beautiful. Let's read these instructions, bro. I wash my hands. So it says for this. No, I'm not gonna show you guys because I can't show you guys this stuff. Because yeah. So all XDF. So it's like she does go, bro. Why am I showing you that? Bro, I could be exposing myself right now. I don't want you to do that, but so yeah, let's read it. Now, this is supposed to be a whole video dedicated, so I'm not gonna show that to you guys at all. Okay. Let's say this is what the graphics colors and stuff. This thing is straight up beautiful, bro. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. The most beautiful thing ever, bro. You know how beautiful this thing is? I've never seen something as beautiful as this thing since my PS5, guys. It's beautiful. This is like supposed to be like a 1 minute video. Hopefully I can fit it on short though. So yeah. So guys, we got the next one now. We got the PC. So yeah. This actually looks bad beautiful. So it can actually line it up because there's no RGB. I mean, not RGB, but you need a power supply. Yeah. Now, you probably should put this back on after we're done again, for safety reasons, because I don't want to get this thing messed up. But yeah, this one it has. It has two 3.0s, one USB here. No, but actually, that's actually a bad thing. Oh, what is this? Stuck. Bro. So this is what the case itself looks like. I can't really show you, demonstrate you. So, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Explains why it was so cheap. It's not the worst, but like in the back cable right here for a stationary power supply, then the fan right there, and the right here. It's kind of like the only problem is like having only 3 USBs, because you should only need one for your mouse, keyboard, literally do, because I'm using wired ones. I need one and one for headphones. Yeah, but yeah, this is the case itself, and let me do that, bro. And then honestly, you know how both PCs and this is the table outside. I'll just open that up and look in there. So that's what it looks like in the case itself. God, sorry, it's super dark in there. It looks like that. I don't know why. I feel like it's where I'm at. I'm gonna just move this thing over. This is what it looks like in the inside. You can't really see anything because my phone is really terrible. Alright, at least the camera is right now. But yeah, I might be able to fix the problem if I get one of those things that allow you to plug it in. That's gonna be the only problem. I know you can technically plug some of the stuff into the monitor and it still works. So yeah, I'll try. That's gonna be like the only problem. Just only having this, only having 3 USBs. It really is like I think a USB, so I'm guessing that's like just a USB 2.0 right here. Because these blue ones in the most time stand for it. Instead of USB right there, yeah, this you would call it itself. Not to do anything. I don't want to break it. It's a for the reset the PC itself and yeah, power on. Yeah, this video is gonna be slightly longer, so let me do something I really want to do real quick. And yeah, I want to actually compare what it looks like in the case. So I'm just gonna pick it up, bro, and I'll put you on like right, bro. Okay. I'm trying to put y'all right here so you guys can see it, but I don't think you'll be able to see it properly because how I felt. No, I don't think it's gonna work at all. But will this work? Okay, that should be good enough. So I'm gonna push you down, put the PC out. So we got the PC. Now, so let's compare it now. So this massive PC. So compared to that PC, bro, that thing is just humongous. No, how much you guys think this thing's gonna weigh, bro? Compared to this, okay, my bad. Compared to this thing is like the most heaviest thing. I struggle to pick it up a little bit, but this is gonna be really heavy. I don't even get to see if it can fit the graphics card in. I feel like trying it out, but I don't feel like it right now. But yeah, that's like the problem. It explains why it's super cheap. I mean, it wasn't super cheap, but like that explains why. Because it only has 3 USBs. I mean, you could technically get a Bluetooth for a time. You could get Bluetooth, which people can say you should get wireless. But I'm like, Bluetooth is actually better because you have to plug in an adapter all the time. Yeah, I will be using PS4, so I don't know with that. Or if you have to use wired stuff, you can use an adapter. A wired adapter that allows more spots for yourself to pull in. Similar to how the PS4 has, you cannot see this because my phone's so bad. It has extra 3 for you. You just plug it in and it powers that up. So you could look for a PC holder or something like that could actually do the same thing, or get something like that. And then, actually, if I am right, that actually would work on your PS5. I mean, not a PS5, but on a PC. So if you have one of those PS4 looking things, you could actually use it on this. I mean, it would look really weird because you have to plug it on here, plug it on top. I've never had a game PC before, but compared to mobile PC, it's way more different. I can't compare it to this one. That's a really old one, by the way. I mean, to be fair, newer ones are actually pretty small. I mean, you can get it really small. I mean, even the gaming PCs are pretty, if you get one of those, alien software ones. But let's be honest, stuff nowadays is getting smaller and smaller, because that's what you want. Bro, nah, bro, you could put all your stuff in here and then carry it around. No, you're not. You're definitely not going to be able to do that, bro, because, yeah. I got the mesh, and then you can't see that like specific RGB. So I don't know what I'm gonna exactly do with this, but actually I need to clean off my desk and all that stuff. I can't specifically. I'm gonna wipe my desk off and then just get ready to build that stuff. I can't really do anything because you need the power supply, your motherboard. The motherboard hasn't arrived here yet. So yeah, let me put this extra SSD and stuff in the box again. Because I'm done with that, so yeah. I think I'll put it back in the box or just not. If I am. Yeah. And actually, bro, let me throw away this trash though, bro. I got so much trash on here. You can't wait to imagine how much trash I got on there. My bad, guys. Yeah. Most people, if you're leaving PC on the floor, what is the literal whole point of having an expensive PC? I was gonna do the back one. It probably would have been better. Yeah. I was trying to look on the back. The reason I was looking on the back was because I was gonna think it was gonna be like an option. Why? I think it was gonna be like a normal PC and actually be able to hold this stuff on its case. Probably gonna put it back on it anyway. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. What's up, guys? Today I got a video for you guys. So I'm gonna be building my PC, guys. You guys know your boy's gonna be building his PC today. Yeah. My power supply hasn't arrived here yet. That's kind of annoying. But let's get into the video and like, I mean, I'm not gonna be showing you guys me building, so it's not gonna be like a great example. I already took some of the stuff out already. Like I had some of this stuff already. I haven't opened the CPU, the RAM, because you know that you can see I already opened that up as well, the GPU, and yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. I mean, I'm gonna show you guys like when I'm done putting the PC and what it like looks like. Well, that's gonna probably be a long time. I'm gonna be installing some of the parts, so yeah, let's just get into it. So guys, we're pretty much almost done with the PC. So we have to wait for the power supply to get delivered. That I'm putting in here. Then I'm gonna install the rest of these cables. Because I need to install these, but I want to actually wait to install them because just in case the power supply doesn't stuff. So I'm probably just gonna wait for the power supply. It's just massive. I wonder, can you remove this stuff? I don't think you can. But yeah, this is the back of it itself. You can see the graphics card. It is pretty much shut up. Do you remove these or do you not? React to that. I can't. You guys can't see the. It is like you do. Yeah. I'm gonna go the instructions again for all of these, so just for the GPU at least. But this is what it looks like, guys. From the back, the output's like right there, and pretty much this has these are normal USB or USB 2.0, and then you got HDMI. I didn't even know HDMI looked that small. Then this is like I'm not sure I'm gonna really be using this one. Oh no, you have two display ports. So these are like, I think, I don't forget what kind of display ports they are. And then down here we have USB Type C and yeah, USB Type C and USB 3.0. And personally, this is gonna be good. I mean, not really, because if I want to extend it, yeah, I can do this, but I could also use this to charge my phone because it uses Type C to Lightning. So down here we have two more USB 3.0s, and then the LAN cables, or Ethernet, whatever you want to call that, LAN. And we actually get like other internet as well. I mean, other internet accessories as well, but it's like not. It is, and then you have a mic right here. So this is like the mic that you put on. I actually put mic on here. Yes, I'm not sure how this is gonna actually work because there's a mic on here, but I'm pretty sure how it works is you actually get an accessory for these, and you get additional ones for this. Let me cut this like a lot there. Is this it? No, that's on it. Yeah, sorry guys, my that's crazy. And it's like this right here, because this has a built-in, so I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm not gonna really have to depend. I already get a mic, but it's not like it's USB though, so I'll probably plug it into the back. This is like glued speaker. Yes, I'm pretty sure this is like to this. I think it is. I don't know. This is what the inside of the PC looks like. I'm not sure you guys can see anything. And then this is the PC case itself. Hopefully you can just plug one in and then it plugs into all of them personally. Hopefully that's how it works. And then I got like this one. The cable management right now is not the worst, but I'm kind of scared that it's gonna get stuck on the fan at some point. I should probably bend that cord just so I can actually have less more space. Yeah, probably should. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. So guys, I just got my power supply. Look at this bad boy. This thing is heavy. It seems like pieces are heavy. I feel like it felt light, but like this thing is quite heavy. I mean, I said the same thing about the CPU, but that's probably because of the stock fan, to be honest. I mean, that's carrying one-handed though, because there's a reason why some stuff that's smaller tends to feel more heavier, even though it's the same way as something else, because it's smaller. So and you're also picking it up one-handed. So yeah, that's 80 plus right there. That's massive. Hopefully it isn't that size, because I doubt it would be that size. But if it is that massive, That is definitely not fitting in this case. Yeah, it definitely isn't. And also, my actual what is it called? My actual mic out here as well. So I'm gonna be using this in videos. I was expecting it to be this small, but like, let's be honest. I expect stuff too, honest. Like I got everything on. Actually, let me just open this up. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the clip right here, guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And we should be done like in the next clip. And then we'll probably do like one more after that as well. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, we're actually almost done. I got my mic actually. It's right here. But I'm not gonna be using it, so I'm gonna put it on the side for now. This is what it looks like right now. This is not gonna be an actual Mario I'm gonna be using. Because like, let's be honest. If I got this monitor, but I'd be so mad. Actually, if this was one though, that'd be really bad. Because there'd be no point getting this RX 6700 right there. You guys can't see it because my lighting is bad, but yeah. It makes no sense to do that. So yeah, it says power it on, and I'm pretty much gonna wait to do that, and I'll show you guys when it cuts on in a little bit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, that's crap. So guys, the monitor is like loading up. So right now, I just got the new monitor. It actually got delivered, and then I got the stuff down there. Cable management. I'm gonna get like gross because of my cable management. Cause look at this. Now I'm waiting for this to load. I'm not sure if it works just like a normal monitor. You gotta go to so apparently it's like right here. Crap! I gotta look at the back again. It is like it's right here. It's like on the top. That's the monitor right. I mean the PC right there. They got like connected, so I'm not sure it's looking at all. I'm using display ports. What is this? Okay, so I'm trying to turn this thing on. It just tell you turn back on. Does that tell you it's on? No signal? What is this? It's like got that. So I think it clicked. Just clicked. I keep on thinking it's like the other TV. Cut that on. So guys, my GPU fans are not spinning. You can't see it. But I can. I really wish this phone could see better though. I'm gonna reset this thing and see if that fixes it. But why does this PC has like this PC case has the worst reset button I've ever seen. Okay, now I gotta push that thing. It's so small though. So it cuts off. Let's see the fans cut back on. Okay, now the PC fans are spinning now. That's actually good now.